Hi guys, this is Mary Immaculate Osabel, grade 6, section A. Performance task number 1 in science, quarter 4. According to pre-books, the Philippines has 23 active volcanoes. Here are the sum of the history. Number 1. Hibok-Hibok has erupted 5 times. The first recorded one was in 1827. The volcano is located on the small island of Camiguin in Mindanao, causing massive earthquake and numerous volcanic pressure. Number 2. The photos show the 1965 Taal eruption, burying 4 Batangas towns. Number 3. The 1840s eruption of Bayun was also one of its deadliest toward the unsuspecting town of Gagsawa, killing 1,200 locals. Number 4. 1991 Pinatubo eruption, located on the Luzon Island, resulted in massive destruction. Number 5. The 1976 Moro Gulf earthquake, magnitude 8.0, damage at Libak, Mindanao. Number 6. The 1990 Luzon earthquake, magnitude of 7.8, epicenter northeast of Cabanatuan City. Number 7. The 1968 Casiguran earthquake, epicenter was in Casiguran, Quezon, now part of Aurora Province. Number 8. The 2013 Bohol earthquake, magnitude 7.2, epicenter in Sagbayan. Number 9. The 2012 Negros earthquake, magnitude 6.7, Dumaguete City. Number 10. The 1948 Lady Kaikai earthquake, epicenter on Panay Island, magnitude 7.8. Philippines has frequent seismic and volcanic activity. That's it guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. God bless.